Write down my email first. It's contact@alexdev.io. My name is John Doe, and you can call me at 1555-0199. Oh, and I am a doctor, by the way.
Imagine filling out your Google Sheets forms using nothing but your voice, while an AI instantly organizes your data into the correct cells. Today, we are connecting Google Sheets to Gemini AI to build this exact smart system. The complete code is on my GitHub. Let's get started. In your Google Sheet, start by typing the labels in column B and adjusting the column widths. Next, select the adjacent cells in column C and apply a light gray fill color for the input fields. Now, go to Insert and click on Drawing to open the canvas. Select the rounded rectangle tool and drag to draw it on the canvas. Click and drag the yellow dot to make the corners slightly less rounded. Set the fill color to transparent so the cells below remain visible. Change the border color to blue and set the thickness to 4px. Next, select the round same side corner rectangle tool. Draw it right on top of the first rectangle, keep its blue fill color, and type AI voice form. Format the text, make it bold, white, centered, and increase the font size. Now, click Save and Close. Back in the sheet, drag the shape over your layout and resize it for a perfect fit. Finally, below the form, type the instruction text, Speak naturally to fill form. Say, Save, to record data to Sheet 2. Format it in a smaller, gray font to keep it clean and out of the way. Now, go to View, then Show, and uncheck grid lines to make the grid invisible and give it a clean app look. Lastly, click on the spreadsheet title at the top left and rename your file to AI Voice Form. Next, add a new sheet. On the first row, type the headers, timestamp, title, full name, email address, and phone number. The timestamp is essential to automatically record the exact date and time of each submission. With our layout complete, let's open the script editor. Go to Extensions and click on App Script. First, delete the default placeholder code to start with a clean slate. Now, I've uploaded the complete script to GitHub. You can find the link in the description below. Let's copy and paste it right here. The most important thing you need to do here is write on this first line, replace this placeholder with your actual key from Google AI Studio. To get one, just head over to aistudio.google.com. On the left menu, click on API Keys, select your project, and then click Create API Key. Once it's generated, just copy it, come back here, and paste it right between these quotes. This version connects directly to Gemini 2.5 Flash, which is the latest stable and most reliable model. Instead of relying on complex configuration blocks that often break inside app script, I've embedded strict JSON parameters directly into the prompt. This forces the AI to output a pure, clean JSON object so Google Sheets can distribute the data into our cells with zero formatting issues. Just click the Save icon at the top, and our code is ready. But wait, because we are making real external API calls now, a simple built-in function won't run automatically due to Google's security rules. We need to set up a manual trigger. On the left menu, click on this clock icon named Triggers, then click Add Trigger at the bottom right. Make sure our Gemini function is selected, and change the event type to onEdit. Hit Save, authorize the permissions if prompted, and boom, our spreadsheet is officially live and powered by AI. Now, let's head back to our Google Sheet to create the button that will trigger this script. Go to the Insert menu and click on Drawing. Select the rounded rectangle shape and draw your button. You can customize the color to match your design. Double-click inside the shape, type Fill with Voice, and style it to make it stand out. Once you're happy with how it looks, click Save and Close in the top right corner. The button appears on your sheet. Resize it using the corners, and drag it into position right next to your form fields. Now click on the three dots in the top right corner of the button and select Assign Script. Here, make sure to type exactly Save and Clear Form and click OK. This ensures that when you press this button, Google Sheets will instantly save all the AI-extracted data to your database sheet and clear the form for the next entry. Now, let's test the whole system in real time. I'm going to select our voice input cell, F4, and press Windows plus H on my keyboard to activate the built-in microphone.
Mr. John Doe, my email is john@gmail.com. My phone number is 123456678.
Let's see what happens. The AI extracted everything perfectly into the form. Now, let's click our blue button. The form resets, and if we check Sheet 2, there it is. Safely saved in our database with a timestamp. Now, you might have noticed the text on my sheet says, "Say save to record data." Originally, I wanted the AI to trigger the save function completely through voice command. But to keep this system 100% reliable and avoid accidental saves, I decided to go with this custom button instead. However, if you want to take this project to the next level and actually implement the voice-activated save trigger, I challenge you to tweak the script and share your solution in the comments below. I'd love to see what you come up with. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more AI automation tricks, and grab the full code from my GitHub link below.